Thank you for attending this presentation of the Snap Creator framework. Today we're going to discuss volume restore with the IBM Domino plugin in Snap Creator 4.1. Before starting the volume restore process, the Domino server should be stopped. You should also verify the data restore directory in the configuration file to verify that the change info will be applied to the correct directory. Snap Creator's Domino plugin has a variety of restore options. You can perform a point-in-time restore, which restores the data to the point in time of the snapshot copy. You can perform an up-to-the-minute restore, which plays forward Domino transaction logs to the most recent transaction available. Or you can perform a selectable up-to-the-minute restore, which allows you to play forward the transaction logs to a specific point in time. For up-to-the-minute or selectable up-to-the-minute restore operations, Domino transaction logging must be enabled. Let's take a look at how this works. I'm logged into the Snap Creator GUI, and I have my Nantes configuration file that I created in an earlier video. Throughout this video series, I've already taken several snapshot copies using this configuration. Before you start a volume restore, be sure that your Domino server is not running. You do not want to restore while Domino is active. I also want to verify my data restore directory in the Domino plugin settings. Click the IBM Domino tab, then check the directory listed in Data Restore Directory. Assuming that you want to perform an in-place restore of the data, replacing the active data with what's in the snapshot copy, you should make sure that the Data Restore Directory is the same as the Domino data directory. If the Data Restore Directory is set incorrectly, Snap Creator will not be able to play forward the logs and the restore operation will not succeed. If you make any changes, be sure to click Save and Reload. My settings are correct, so I'm going to click Actions, Restore. This starts the Snap Creator Restore wizard. Click Next to begin. From the drop-down boxes, select the controller or vServer, then select the volume that contains the Domino data. Select your policy. Then you can select to restore either Snap Creator snapshot copies or from the list of all snapshot copies on the volume. I'll leave the default setting of Snap Creator snapshot copies and select the snapshot copy that I want to restore. Once I've selected a snapshot copy, select a restore type, either volume or single file restore. For this video, we'll select Volume Restore. Click Next. This pane is specific to the Domino plugin. No other plugin has these options. Select the restore type. Again, point in time is the point in time of the snapshot copy, while up to the minute plays forward the Domino transaction logs to the most recent transaction available, and selectable up to the minute allows you to play forward the Domino transaction logs to a specific time. I'm going to choose selectable up to the minute since it has the most options. Select a date and then a time. Please note that the selected time and date must be newer than the snapshot copy. The plugin can play the transaction logs forward, but it can't restore to a point in time before that of the snapshot copy. I'll choose to restore the snapshot copy to March 18th at 9 a.m. Ignore validation allows you to ignore time mismatches between the storage controller or vServer and the Domino server. You can also optionally disable replication, which will set a new database ID for each database. Typically, you don't want to do this for a volume restore, but this is very useful for single file restore operations. Click Next. Review the summary, then click Finish. Check the confirmation screen and click OK. The console window shows you the restore operation in real time. Once the restore operation completes, a success message appears on screen. Click OK and review the logs if necessary. Once the restore operation has completed, start your Domino server. That completes this presentation of Snap Creator 4.1 Volume Restore for IBM Domino. For additional information about Snap Creator, visit the Snap Creator Developers community at www.snapcreator.com or visit the Snap Creator forum on NetApp communities at www.netapp.com/snapcreator.